Welcome, guys. This is my third week of documenting my journey right here on YouTube to $2 million in crowdfunding, and this week happened to be a very profitable week for me. I took a total of 4 trades this week. That was my first trade was on USDCAD because on Monday there was no setup, Tuesday no setup, Wednesday no setup till Thursday 2 setups and Friday 2 setups. I had 3 wins and 1 loss on USDJPY. So and I showed how I came about all these trades. That's my analysis. And without wasting much of your time, let's just go straight to the chart. Let me show you guys how I derived these trades, how I come about it. So let's go now.
So guys, I'll be taking this trade on USD cards today. I'll set a pending order there right now. So here's how I come about this trade now. If I should zoom out, okay, let me just zoom out completely. Right here, you can see that right here, this was a first touch because I use trend lines for my analysis. I keep it very, very simple. So here was the first touch, here was the second touch, right here was somehow a slightly false break and a third touch here. So you can see that price is still respecting that trend line. So coming here right here, we can see that right here, price just retested it again. Retested it again and dropped. So how did I know now that here now will be my zone? I trade with trend line and horizontal line support and resistance level. So right here, if you watch where this is a resistance area, it's a resistance. Same thing happened here again. It acted as resistance here again. After it's resisted here, it came here, also acted as another resistance. Come here, give us a break above that level. We tested it, go up and still fall down again. So a retest here should be a sell because this is just like a false break. So this is a retest, a nice retest of that level. So from this level now, I'm expecting a drop to this next level. Although we might find difficulty for price to break this level, but immediately price could successfully break this level, we might see a very sharp drop to here or even here. That's the next level. So I'll be placing a sell limit order somewhere here, place my stop loss somewhere here, and targets here. At least this trade should be giving me a minimum of 1:3 and above. It should be giving me a minimum of 1:3. So I'll be taking this sell trade on gold right now. And here's how I came about this trade. So right here, if you check here, you see that this is my trend line. This is a first touch, a second touch, this happens to be a third touch. And you can see price struggled to buy above this level. Then finally the trend line just got broken. So I think I'll be waiting for this like a retest of this is a horizontal resistance support level, which will now later turn to be resistance. And considering the fact that our trend line just got broken, so I'm entering for a sell here and targeting here as my take profit somewhere here, which happens to be another support level. I'm targeting there as my take profit level. But meanwhile, I'm still a bit skeptical about this trade because if you check our bigger time frame, the daily charts, you can see that right from here now, we had a support here, another support here, and this another touch of the trend line, and price happens to be respecting that level too. It's also respecting that level. So I don't know. Let me just zoom out completely. See it. First touch, the second touch, there's another third touch here again. So I don't know. And it's respecting the trend line, so it may continue the uptrend or touch here, reverse a little before continuing again. But let's see how it goes, sha. I may not wait for this trade to hit my TP if it's going in my favor. I might just close at 1:2 or something like that. But meanwhile, I'll be taking this trade. I'll set my pending order right here, and as usual, 1% per trade, nothing more, nothing less. Let's go. So guys, as you can see, that USD card trade I talked about, just take a look exactly how the trade played out, exactly as anticipated. Look at it. Let me just zoom out, zoom up. You can see what the trade did. It went up there exactly at that my entry point, boom, and it did exactly what I said. Stop playing, guys. See, guys, stop playing. We really understand this thing called trading. Nothing beats price action. Nothing. I'm not complicating any single thing. Everything is simplified here. I don't trade SMC or ICT or any concept. Just simple support and resistance level, horizontal and trend line support and resistance level. That's all. You don't need to understand everything to become a profitable trader. That's it. That's this trade for USD card. Although I left this market as 1:2, but if I had heard longer, this trade is up to 1:5. So that's how this USD card trade played out. Then let me also check that our goods trade, because I took a trade also on our goods trade. Here is the same thing happened on our goods trade. Like I said, look at it. The first touch, the second touch. Look at how it also played out. Activate it straight to TP. That was how our two goods trade setups, played out here. Okay, that was exactly how the trade played out. So that's it. I took two more other trades. I took two more other trades though, but I could not record it because of how fast it is. So you can see it. Went there, activate my pending order, and boom, start moving straight to take profits. Guys, we are not here for jokes, man. We are not here for jokes. We are not here for jokes. That's it.
So that's it. That's it for the two trades. That's it. I was not able to record that of USDJPY and GBP card on Friday because they were very fast trade, very fast. So I did not record it. I did not record it. So that's it. That's it. This week happens to be one of my most profitable week. I'm very grateful for that, and yeah. And this week I've been going through this. I know most of you know about it by McDouglas, Trading in the Zone. So I'll be giving review about this book, which most traders recommend it, and I also recommend you go through this. It's gonna help you in your trading psychology, which is the most important part of trading. Forget about the buy, sell, your support and resistance, your SMC, your ICT. The mindset first. That's the first step to becoming a profitable trader. Forget about every other. Last week I had a drawdown. I was in 1% drawdown last week. But coming this week, I followed my plan. I told you, if it's before, once I'm in drawdown, I reduce my risk to 0.5%. But I said this time around, no. I'm not risking less, I'm not risking more than 1% on all my trades. Even if I'm in a drawdown, I'm not risking less than that. And here is it. This week I'm now 4.4% up. Look at it right here on the screen here. There's my P&L for the week, and this is my current account balance right now. 10,444. Just 3 points, around 3.6% to go. So hopefully one good trade this week can just help me smash my TP. Yeah, one good trade this week. And as of the trades I took, they were very good trades, very nice ones, but I think I need to make we keep improving every day, because those trades we expected to reach a minimum of 1:5, but I just got out at 1:2. Even if I had wait to 1:3, because the way I trade is, once I'm in a trade, immediately I'm in a trade, I wait. Once it hits 1:3, if I see any reversal pattern, I close the trade immediately. But as long as there's no reversal pattern and there's no chance of this reversing, I keep holding on to the trade. So I think I had a little psychological issue there this week, because I'm supposed to pass this account this week. I'm supposed to pass phase one this week. But no problems, no problems. As long as I'm still profitable for the week, I'm grateful. We'll go again next week, and this time around, more smarter and in a more better way this week. So just I'll keep you guys updated. I'll keep everybody updated. Stay tuned, and if this is your first time of seeing me here, can hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. The link to my free Telegram channel is in the description of this video. You can join the free Telegram channel. I drop my analysis there also. So thank you. We'll go again next week.